Hello guys, welcome back to my RHCE series, practice for the exam. So today, not. On this video we're going to see another topic from the objective for the RHCE exam. Today we are going to cover the SMTP, configure a system to forward all email to a central mail server. What does it mean? This means that you need to configure postfix as a null client. So every email that you send from this server is going forward, or it going to send to a central mail server, and this email we don't keep this email on the server from where you send the email. It's kind of hard to explain to me, but let's do it and you will see how this works. Okay, here in this window I have my lab IPA. This server is the central mail server, okay? And these two are the clients. See, as you see on the previous videos, RHEL73 and 73C are my clients. So, because on the exam, I think you need to configure this, or both the server and the other VM, or maybe just one, as a null client and configuration on postfix. So okay, in this case are we going to use these two. This is gonna be a test VM, so where the all mail gonna be. So let's start. The first, you need to make sure that the right package is installed. So by default, postfix is on each and every installation, but you need to verify. You see, it's right there. If the postfix is not installed, you can go to jump install -y postfix. There we go. This is the first step. The second one, you need to start editing the main file, the configuration file for this service. There are a couple of ways that you can do it. Both way. One of the way is if you use the postconf -e, and then you specify the, for example, relate host equal, and then you put inside square bracket, you put the SMTP server. On my case, I'm going to use the IP address because I don't create the MX record on the DNS, so I'm going to use the IP address, but it's fine. This is one way. The other way that I will recommend to use it, because there are no way to make a typo, because all is in there, is if you go directly to edit the postfix and the main CF file. This is one way that I like, because you don't need to remember all the lines. So you can, this is the main configuration. You can set a number. Some people remember the line numbers. This is tricky, because on Red Hat probably they modify the RPM of postfix, and you will not see all the lines. You will see only the lines that they want you to see. So for that reason, I don't memorize the lines. I just start from the beginning and just find the line that I need. Okay, I will keep track here, being postfix, in order to show you which line I modify. Okay, Okay, we start. My host name, you don't need to because you already configured the host name very well on the beginning of the exam. You can do it. My origin. Okay, here you need to specify the origin from the mail come from. On my case, I will use the same server, lab.ipa.example.com. Maybe on the exam, they provide you the different origin. They're gonna tell you, okay? Okay, I modify the line 99, okay? The second one. Now you need to specify the init interface. In that case, we are going to use the loop back only in order to just configure as a null client. Okay, this is the configuration, loop back only. Interface or protocol all is alright. You can specify IPv4 if they say it. If they say it's not, you can leave it this. My destination, this is a good one. On my destination, if you are going to configure postfix as no client, you need to delete all the line and leave them blank. Okay, this is very important line. So far I modified 3 lines. So okay, the next one, you can my destination. Okay, we keep going. My networks, it's fine. Here on my networks, okay, I'm going to insert. Oh, I'm ready in insert mode. I'm going to specify just this one, the internal address, and also specify the IPv6 address. Is 128, 164, 128. I think it's 128. It's easy to verify. Then we go back here. You can do this. Let me do the same command, APA, and you can see here the loop back, the regular. Oh, come on. This is the one interface, and another interface, the IPv6. This is that I'm looking for in X6. See? Yeah, it's 128. You need to specify this address, okay? So let's continue editing my file. Okay, so the line 264 is the next one. Oh, I know insert mode. 264. Okay, now I have 4 lines. We'll need 2 more. Okay, and this is the relay domains. We keep on the way. Okay, relay host. This is the guy 317. Okay, 317. Here, if they provide you the SMTP, you can just type here SMTP and the address. But as I told you in the beginning, I don't have the MX record on my DNS, so I'm going to use the IP address of the server. Okay, for this demonstration. Okay, now we have how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me set number. We missed one. The other line, I'm gonna put it right here. It's gonna be local transport. Okay, equal error colon. I'm gonna say like a local. Let's say it's an example. Everyone type the same message. It's local delivery and disable. It's a message. It doesn't matter. So this is only the line that you need pretty much to remember, if you see, because all the lines is right there. So okay, local, or I type wrong something, it's local, no locat, local, here we go, well, looks better now. I'm going to right and quick, and then I'm going to restart postfix. Okay, going to system ctl restart postfix. Right, and also I'm going to enable the service. I'm going to see is the status. You see, it's already started. And let me show you one thing, because you probably want to know. Look at that. When I type the enable, it don't set the link that the service gonna be started each and every time on boot time. Why? Because if you go here, systemctl unit, list unit files, and you go and try to find postfix, it's enabled. So it's enabled. Okay, it's enabled, no worry. I just thinking that was static, and when the system is static and the service, I mean, you don't need to take care of this, enable the service. You see here, Lore active running. It's right here. So okay, now the configuration is there, the service is started. How can I test this? I'm gonna say like mail to Lisa, at Lisa, because Lisa is a username on the IPA side. So I'm gonna say example, the domain .com. Okay, subject, I'm gonna say subject email from RHCE73. Hello Lisa. Bye. Enter and dot to finish. If I say mail queue, you see my mail queue is empty. Now if I go here to the lab IPA where all mails go through, if I log in as Lisa, see, or even I can show you, I say SSH Lisa, right, at local host. Okay, so because I want to demonstrate. Okay, you can do a su-lisa or just SSH as Lisa. They ask me this because it's the first time that I log in as Lisa. Okay, now I'm Lisa, ID Lisa, who am I, Lisa. So I'm gonna say mail, and now I got one email. It say email from the server that I send the email. I can read it. Hello Lisa, bye. Okay, this is how to configure postfix on this way. I want to show you now how to configure on the other way. Okay, so I'm going to just here, I'm going to, let me do on the way, let me go back here, LV, I'm gonna say 99116. I'm gonna show you this way because if you feel comfortable doing on that way, feel free to do it, because I don't have all the answers, believe me. Okay, okay, oh sorry, okay, let me go here. I'm going to edit the file again. I'm going to show you set number because I want to pretty much read, because I don't remember this syntax very well, because it's easy to do it on the way that I show you first. I don't want to save this. Okay, let me see, jump install -y postfix Run package, there you go. It's already installed, so I'm going to edit the no, I don't going to edit the configuration. I'm going to use the post conf -e to edit. In this case, I'm going to edit my need to that way my origin equal, it's gonna be lab ipa.sample.com and close. This is one. Next one, 116 is that one. I'm going to copy and paste because it's more easy for me. Open quote, close. See? Boom. Next one, 164. My destination. I'm gonna do this. My destination. Pretty much empty, okay? And the next one, 264. 264 is the IP range, right? So I go here, say this, close, let me remove this white space, enter. And the last one, no, I have 4, we missed 2 more, is the relay host, okay? Boom. And now the local delivery, the local transport, okay? Going to do it here, boom, and enter. And now systemctl restart is active. Let me see, it's active, so need to restart, okay? And also I will need restart, I will to enable the service. This is really cool utility, so feel free. Now let me quit this. If I go into the configuration file, you go to the very end of the lines and you will see all the configuration here. They don't put it on the right order. See, my origin, my network, relate, and local transport. But if you go to the beginning of the line, the document, so you will see something with init interface, look back only, see another one, destination, empty, because there are already a session for this, but where the other configuration don't go to any place, just add it at the end. So okay, but let me create a user here on the lab IPA, right, in order to send all that mail, the test from here to here. I'm gonna say IPA user add, I'm gonna say okay, user add, I'm gonna say user add, yeah, oh, I know what happens. You need to open the Kerberos ticket, and now I can add a user. The username gonna say Fidel, last name Valero. The user login is gonna be Fidel.Valero. It created now, and now I'm going to create IPA password for Fidel.Valero. The password, I'm gonna say password as password. Very complex. Okay, now I create the username. So let's send an email to Fidel.Valero at sample.com message. Hello Fidel, this is an awesome video. That mail queue, my mail queue is empty. If I go now to this one, I am logging as Fidel, say su-fidel.valero. Okay, I'm gonna say mail. I see the email. When I read the email, it say this also. This is an awesome video. Don't worry about that. Okay, this is how to configure postfix as null client. Please send comments, feedback, everything, like, dislike, and remember to subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Bye.